What's up, Joe? Also, Max, send in the Chronicles group chat to send their addies if they have it. We don't have it. Yep, guys, comment when you're here so I know who's here. Hype for football. So let's get this rolling so we get into it. What's up, Jago? What's up, AM? Where's Kamikaze at? He's got a lot of spots. Kamikaze or whatever. Lakers are up 11. That's hype. NFL's at 8:20 start time. Come on. Why couldn't it be an 8:40? I mean 8:30. Let's go. We'll give it a few more minutes. Let everyone get in here. Cause we. What's up, Tommy? Where's Kamikaze at? And Sinatra. I'll start late, to be honest. It'll start. Oh yeah, of course. It's probably gonna start like 8:30, 8:35. But that's why I wanted to start at like 8:30 because then it'll really start at 8:45. I mean, if I missed the first 7 minutes, not that big of a deal. I don't have anyone in fantasy. It's not my team, so give it a few minutes. Then we'll do the filler. We got two big. What do you guys want first? The Grizz or Pelicans filler? What do you want to see first? 8:14. We'll get into the fillers. Maybe 8:13. Grizz first. Pels. Oh. Nets vote. What we're doing. Such a tight schedule too, because my last class ended at 7. I ate dinner and then came down to break. And tomorrow we got 2 insane breaks of Mosaic hobby football, which I can't wait for, honestly. Hope the LCS has them. I texted them today and they were like, yeah, we should. What's up, Kama? You gotta run your. Okay, yeah. Let's get into the fillers then, because I know you got teams in those, so I want you to at least see that. Sorry about the timing, man. Okay, we're going with the Grizz first. Good luck. Top spots gets the Grizz. Oh, that's my PDS for school. Apologies. 4 or above. 5. J-Lit, Kamikaze, Dylan, Vintage, and Kamikaze. Oh, and there's my grammar checker. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dice said 5. 5th and final top spot gets the Grizz. Kamikaze, congrats, buddy. What's up, Vintage? Now we got 10 spots. Roll again for above. 12. Top spot gets them. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The dice said 12. 12th and final. Dylan was first to 1 before each time. 12. 6, 1, 7. Buying the last 2 spots. And he gets the Pelicans. Are you in here, 617? I think that's Joe. Congrats. Sorry, everyone else. Take a screenshot of this real quick. Sorry, guys. We'll always have fillers, though, so next time. Sorry, Dylan. Let's hit you a big Sekou, though. Honestly, I'm kind of hyped that Cello isn't breaking tonight, because then I wouldn't be able to watch till like halftime with that box. That box is a big one. Okay. We just get the image up with the teams and then we'll get into this. I haven't ripped Mosaic in so long. It's absolutely insane. because the price on this box was insane and they finally lowered it. It finally, like, the market finally went down again where it should be. Okay, guys, guess the auto for 10 in credit. Guess the auto for 10 in credit. Any 101, and we got 10 in credit to someone in the break. Let's go. We good. We good. Tyler Fisher might. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I saw that. Pull some heaters. Hero would be hype. Love me some Hero. What's up, David? I want there to be a stained glass too. Who's got the good stained glasses? Who got the stained glass teams? We got Slim Jim with the Lakers, the Rockets. There's Jago. Zion auto. That'd be insane. The Warriors, the Bucks. I missed it. Did I get Grizz? Who got the Pels? Kamikaze, you got the Grizz, buddy. Pels was 617. And we're gonna go pack by pack, guys. Yeah, congrats, Kama. Okay, guys, let's get into this. Good luck, everyone. RJ auto. I love Mosaic, especially the hobby. It's one of my favorite to break. Bobby Portis, Westbrook, Grant, Ben Simmons, Levine, Zach Collins, Plumlee, silver, Dwight Powell for the Mavs. A red MVPs of Giannis for the Bucks. That's huge, David. Congrats. International Meta Mastery of Dirk. Montage of Blake Griffin. Hall of Fame Pete Maravich. Cam Reddish rookie. Jordan Poole debut. And Goga. Need a fire LeBron MVP. Yeah, if that was a LeBron, that's huge. But that Giannis is huge too, especially if he wins it. Even though they're out of it. Wendell Carter Jr. TJ Warren. Jake Layman. Olynyk. Torian Prince. Siakam. Markelle Fultz. Miles Bridges, Prism for the Hornets. Red of Grayson Allen. Zion Blue Chips for the Pelicans. Nice card behind it too. In it to win it of James Harden for the Rockets. I love the inserts in this. They're so nice. Yep, Harden. Dwayne Wade. Pascal. Kareem. And Schofield. Yeah, the in it to win it insert's nice. I don't know if that takes the spot of the stained glass, which I hope it doesn't, but it might. I'm not sure. I haven't opened enough of this to be honest. Thaddeus Young, Aldridge, Isaiah Thomas, Kyrie Williams, Kemba, Bruce Brown, CJ, Silver Hall of Fame of Kareem, Rachuan Holmes red for the Kings. Introductions of Kobe White. Stairmasters Prisms of Mitchell. Kobe White debut. Terrence Mann. Oscar Robertson Hall of Fame. And Kyle Guy. All those cards will be sleeved at the end, don't worry. Shea, Myers Leonard, Kelly Oubre, Tyus Jones, Terry Rozier, Kyle Lowry, Valanciunas. We got a rookie coming up. Rookie color, Otto Porter Jr. Kai Bowman red for the Warriors. Stairmasters of Vucevic, Paul George montage, Job debut, Cody Martin, Vince Carter, and Culver. Last pack of this pile. Vince, believe he goes to the Raptors. It's whatever team he had the most years on. Eric Gordon, John Wall, Al Horford, Brandon Ingram, Luka base for the Mavs, Fournier, Glenn Robinson, Kevin Love silver, a pink of Zach Collins /49 for the Blazers. International Men of Mastery, Marc Gasol. Luka, center stage for the Mavs. Wilt. What are these cards? Garland, Taco, and Hero. Like, what is that? That is terrible. Is this even gonna fit in this? Oh, there's the dogs. Yeah, these Lukas are huge. That's too big, Lukas. The base is even big graded. That was a good pack. Mavs are hitting big right now. Let's go. Still got the auto too, which is big. Oh, where's my printer? Excuse that. Might go off for a little bit. Hamidou Diallo, Shamet, Jeremy Lamb, Bradley Beal, Tim Hardaway, Dinwiddie, Montrezl Harrell, Hall of Fame Prism of Wilt, Ricky Rubio red, Stairmasters of Siakam, International Men of Mastery Steve Nash Prism, Stockton, Matisse, Hayes, and Carson Edwards. Come on, give us some low-numbered stuff. Embiid, Tristan Thompson, Brooke Lopez, Schroeder, Crowder, Bembry, Marcus Morris, Drummond silver, Wiggins red. Come on, we need better silvers in color. Ben Simmons montage, Stairmasters of Westbrook, Scottie Pippen, Nunn, Chamberlain, and Bol. 3 more packs. Let's go. Let's heat up indeed. Oh, that's a good sign. 28 Wilts indeed. Taj, Aaron Baines, DiVincenzo, Tobias, Kuzma, Middleton, OG for the Raptors, Magic Johnson red, Tony Kukoc, I don't even know, Swagger of Jokic, Hero debut, RJ base, Magic, and Ja. The color just isn't it. That's the problem. If the color's not good with this, the box isn't good. Especially if you don't get a more top loaders, one sec. Especially if you don't get stained glass. Then it's just, you need good color. Yeah, that Giannis and that Luka were like the two biggest pulls right now. That Luka's probably huge, honestly, not gonna lie, but I want more than just that. I want more than just that. When's the auto? I don't know, maybe last pack, wherever it is, I'm holding it for the final. Hopefully it's a sweat. You're gonna sweat it. I feel like it's gonna be last pack for some reason. Could be wrong though, could be here. Nope, it's last pack. Thomas Satoransky, Austin Rivers, Kevin Knox, Harrison Barnes, KD, De'Aaron Fox, silver of Oscar Robinson, and Jonathan Isaac red behind him. Montage of Siakam. Montage Prism of Derrick Rose. Debut of RJ, Terrence Davis, Barkley, and Hayes. Come on. Come on. Last pack, boys. Better be an auto. JJ Redick, Seth Curry, Troy Brown Jr., Alec Burks, Rudy Gay, got the auto, looks blue, Will Barton, Derek White, blue chips of Pascal, introductions of Culver, MVPs Harden, Romeo Langford, Pascal debut, and Mafundu. Here we go, guys. The auto. Bernard King for the Knicks. Bernard King. Tough. Not the best box at all. Cool one, yeah. Definitely not the best box of this. At all. I don't know if we'll be breaking this anytime soon. Again. Bernard King, quick little recap. RJ, Ja, Luka, Zach Collins to 49. Luka center stage, probably the biggest card we hit. Hero, Kai Bowman red, Ja debut, Stairmasters of Mitchell, In It to Win It of Harden, Zion blue chips, and the second biggest card, MVP's red Giannis. Thank you guys for all joining in. DM us your address if we don't have it already. We're gonna sleeve this up. Probably later tonight after the football game. And yeah, just stay tuned for future breaks. Probably gonna be there's a Prism up. There's like 6 teams left. I'll go tomorrow with the 2 Mosaic. Besides that, guys, have a good night. See you next time.